So to start with, we saute the garlic, onion, and ginger, and then we're gonna add tomato paste on it, and then we add onion powder, and we add black pepper, and we add salt to taste. Then we mixed it. So because it is a pink sauce, so we add a little bit of white sauce. So we are adding now a white sauce. This is a cooking cream, only a little. And then we mixed it. And then if it is finished, guys, we're going to grill the salmon and we put it in here. Then we have here our pink sauce, guys. Easy as that. You just watch my video and you can follow. So have a good day, guys. We have a pink sauce for our grilled salmon.